Welcome to the Office 2010 series with Howard Aiken and Mary Thomas. In this video we are looking at the great conditional formatting improvements that Excel have done in the latest version. So if we look at this table of data, it's a table of school achievement in 2004 and it's people's assessment results. It's quite hard to identify anybody who's really falling down on this by looking at all these numbers. And imagine if it was a very, very big spreadsheet, it would be really hard. So if we highlight the data that we want, the numbers, just the numbers that we want, and we go over to the home page and we put conditional formatting on, then we can highlight certain cells depending on rules. So we can say we want to highlight any cell that is greater than, let's say, 8 in let's say green, because they're going to be doing really well, and we want to highlight any cell that is less than 3. Let's be fairly obvious and do it in red, because they're the ones that we want to pay attention to. Now very quickly we can get a much better view of the data and identify any students or any months where there was particularly an issue. June, for example, didn't look like a very good month, and then we can address that appropriately. Now the number of different types of conditional formatting that you can put on the cells, and it's always a good idea to clear any formatting that you currently have on the cells before you add any others, because otherwise it gets into a little bit of a mess. So we select the data again and we're going to go ahead and clear the rules and have a look at some of the other options. I quite like the data bars or the colour scales in particular. So if we identify the colour scales, then it colours all of the charts from green, where green is very good, through yellow down to red, where red is very low. Or we can go the other way. So let's go the green, yellow, red scale and have a look, see what that is. And as you can see, the deeper the green, the better, and the deeper the red, the worse, and then we get a scale in between. If we highlight those cells and go to conditional formatting and manage rules, we can see exactly what they've been put on there. So if we go to edit rule, then we can see that in this case it's done by a percentile. So it's worked on the red is the minimum, the yellow is the mid 50 percentile, and it's done on a normal distribution curve. You can change that if you want to by doing it on actual numbers or actual formulas, or on actual numbers, on percentages, or even on formulas if you want to work them out. So you can choose very quickly how you want these cells to be displayed. So as you can see, it's actually quite a powerful tool that gives you a brief overview. Thanks for watching our review of conditional formatting in Excel. If you need any more information, please contact Mary Thomas of Concise Training or Howard Aiken of Oxfordshire Computer Service.